Hello friends, learning maths is so simple. In our previous video, I taught you that sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, Pandit, P for Pandit, B for Badri, P for Prasad, H for her, B for Bhole. Pandit, Badri, Prasad, her, Bhole. Means that for sine theta, sine A is equal to, for this angle, sine A is equal to P upon H, means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos A for this angle, cos A is equal to base or adjacent side upon hypotenuse. This is for revision. Tan A is equal to P upon B, perpendicular or opposite side upon base. And opposite to that, अगर हम नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ हो जाते हैं तो hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to cosec A, hypotenuse upon base is equal to sec A, base upon perpendicular is equal to cot A. So now questions, different questions. From exercise 8.1, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Question is this: in triangle ABC, right angled at B. So it is right angled at B. AB is equal to AB is equal to 24 centimeter. So this is 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is 7, opposite side is 7 centimeter. Determine. We have to determine number 1, sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. And number 2, sin C and cos C. So first of all, we are considering the sin A and cos A. So this way, in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, in right angled triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AC square or AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equal to AB is given 24, so 24 square plus BC is given 7 square, AC square. 24 square is 576. So this is 576. And 7 square is 49. 7 into 7, 49. It is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. for any right angle triangle. So this way AC square is equal to 625. When we take a square root of this, we shall get 25, or AC is equal to 25 on taking square root. Now we can easily write what is sine theta. So this we have got 25 centimeter by using Pythagoras theorem. We can easily write now sine theta. What will be the sine theta? Sine theta or sine A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite to angle A. This side is opposite to angle A and this is hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this way sine A is equal to sine A is equal to 7 upon 25. 7 upon 25. And similarly cos A. We can write about cos A. Cos A is equal to cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse or adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 25. Oh, sorry. Adjacent side is 24. 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So this way cos theta is 24 upon 25 is our answer. Now the second part of this question. In second part, we have to find sin C cos C. Sin C cos C. So we can write it A as C and C as B. Exchange. So it is C. When we exchange this, we also need to exchange side. This will become 24 centimeter. 24 A centimeter, and this will become 7 centimeter. CB is 7 or BC is 7 centimeter. फॉर आवर ईजीनेस, हमें ईजी करने के लिए हमने ए को यहाँ ले लिया, ए को सी को यहाँ ले लिया, ए को. सो दिस वे अगेन वी मे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूज which we will get 25 centimeter again. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square which we have find earlier. पहले ही हमने इसको पता कर लिया है, that is AB 24 square plus BC 7 square, so that is 576 plus 49. 576 plus 49 means that this is 625, which is 25. So AC square दो बार AC फाइंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, बट फिर भी वी हैव टू डू. So that is equal to AC using Pythagoras theorem, 25 centimeter. Now we need to write sin C. Sin C will be sin C, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to, opposite side is 24. 24 upon hypotenuse 25. We have got the answer for sin C. Now for cos C. Cos C. Cos C is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So this way we will get cos C is equal to, adjacent side is 7 upon hypotenuse is 25. 7 upon 25 is our answer. Our next question is, if sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So we can calculate it easily. Given solution, given sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, solution. Sin A दिया हुआ है 3 upon 4. Sin A is equal to 3 upon 4. And also sin A is equal to, sin A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Means that BC upon AC. If we compare these two, so BC upon AC is equal to 3 upon 4. We can also write BC upon AC, BC upon AC instead of sin A, AC, and that side is 3 upon 4. So this way BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. So BC is 3K. We take a constant K. Because of we don't know the value of this correct value of BC, 3K मल्टीपल में होगी BC की वैल्यू, इसलिए K लेते हैं कॉमन मल्टीपल. And this is AC is 4. This is 4K. Now again in right angle triangle, triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is we have to find. AC square, AC is given 4K, so 4K square is equal to AB square we have to find plus BC is given 3K, so that is 3K square. Now 4K square is 16K square. 4 4 the 16, k into k square is equal to AB square plus 3 3 the 9, k square. Now we subtract this 9k from 16k. So or AB square is equal to 16k square minus 9k square. So that is AB square is equal to 16 minus 9, 7. 7k square. 7k square. Or we can say AB is equal to square root 7k. AB is equal to square root 7k. AB is equal to square root 7k. So it is 7 square root 7 and k. Square root 7k is AB. Now we can easily find cos A and tan A. This way cos A. Therefore cos A, cos of this angle A, that will be adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. That is, adjacent side is square root 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. So cos A is equal to square root 7k upon 4k. K is cancelled with k. So cos A is equal to square root 7 upon 4. Now tan A. For tan A, tan of this angle A, opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side को adjacent side से divide कर देते हैं तो tan A मिलता है. Opposite side upon adjacent side what is opposite side here? That is 3k and the adjacent side is opposite side is 3k and the adjacent side is a square root 7k, square root 7k. So k is cancelled with this k. So this way tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. So the value of tan A is 3 upon root 7. Our next question, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Solution. 15 cot A is equal to 8. It is given. 15 cot A is equal to 8. It is given. We can also write cot A is equal to, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 8 upon 15. And from this triangle, right angle triangle ABC, what is cot A? Cot A is equal to AB upon BC. So cot A is also is equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC. So this way AB upon BC, instead of cot A के प्लेस पर हम AB upon BC लिखते हैं 8 upon 15. So this way AB, therefore AB is equal to 8k and BC is equal to 15k. 8k and 15k. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This way AC square is equal to AB is 8 square, 8k square, plus BC is 15k square. This way AC square is equal to 8 8 the 64k square plus 15 15 the 225k square. When we add 64 and 225, AC square is equal to, we shall get 289 k square. Or if we take a square root of both the sides, so AC will be 17k. This way we have got AC 17k. Now we can easily find the value of sin A and sec A. So this way the value of sin A and sec A. Now sin A. In right angle triangle ABC, sin A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. So this way opposite side is 15k and hypotenuse is 17k. This way sin A is equal to 15 upon 17k, k is cancelled with k, or sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. We have got the answer, first answer, 15 upon 17. Now sec A. Sec A. Sec A is opposite of cos A. Means that sec A is equal to AC upon AB, hypotenuse, upon adjacent side. So this way sec A is equal to hypotenuse is 17k and adjacent side is 8k, k is cancelled with k, 17 upon 8. So sec A is equal to 17 upon 8. This is our answer. Our next question, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Solution. Since angle A and B are acute angle, since angle A and angle B are acute angle. Then angle C will be equal to 90 degree. Angle A and angle B are acute angle. And angle C is 90 degree. This is C and this is B. Angle A is acute angle, angle B is also acute angle, angle C is 90 degree. So this way, and also given cos A is equal to cos B, it is given. Cos A is equal to cos B, given. Cos A is equal to cos B, it is given. For cos A, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So adjacent side upon hypotenuse means that AC upon AB is equal to, for cos B from that side, this will be adjacent side now, cos B for B. For B, this will be adjacent side and this will be opposite side. It will turn. So for cos B, this is adjacent side. Now this will become adjacent side and hypotenuse will be the same. This will become opposite side. For this B, for angle B, this will become opposite side. Opposite side. So this way we can say that cos B is equal to BC upon AB. This implies that AC is equal to BC, since AB. AC is equal to BC. This implies that AC is equal to BC. When AC is equal to BC, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle opposite to AC is angle B and angle opposite to BC is angle A. Angle B is equal to angle A, or we can say it proves that angle A is equal to angle B. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is a theorem. So applying this theorem, this way we have got our answer, angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. अगली वीडियो के लिए और क्वेश्चंस के लिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी अनदर वीडियो. Thank you for watching my scholars.